Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I'm in the dining room and I have my helper. You want to say hi?
Hi.
She wanted to be here for the video, so she's going to sit on my lap while I'm telling you about what we're working on today. So today is Tuesday, November 5th, and it is, I have to double check myself, yes, the 5th. So we're working on mission number 12 from the Fly Lady for our Cruising Through the Holidays missions. So as you know, in her system, Tuesday is plan and play day, but as always, you can make your system work for however you want. So if it's not Tuesday, then pick whatever day this week is sort of your day to sit down and plan. And your mission is to start thinking about holiday menus. So whether you're hosting Thanksgiving or Christmas lunch, whatever that might be, or if it's just traveling and you need to think about snacks or prepping for travel. She wants you just to start thinking about some menu planning. It could even be just as you're getting into the busy season, coming up with a basic menu Monday through Friday that gives you a framework to work off of and a basic shopping list to work from that's kind of your staples that you know you're going to repeat every week, so that it's one less thing to worry about as we start getting busier and prepping for the holidays. And then of course, because it's plan and play day, the other thing is to do some play. So she mentions just taking a walk. What are you doing? Maybe playing a game. We've been playing games lately and reading lots of books and enjoying the fall leaves. What other activities have we done that were fun? We just got back from the library and we made a cute craft where she...
Goodbye.
You want to say goodbye? You want to go get your craft and you can show them? We made a cute little craft with some bubble wrap, so she's going to get that to show you. But again, just a reminder to sit down, take a few minutes and start planning. I actually found an old calendar that I had lying around, and I've just gone through and jotted down, like if there was something going on specific days. Wednesday is our night that we have dance class in the evening, so I jotted that on there. And then just came up with a couple of basic ideas for dinner for those evenings, and then my lunch, because sometimes I forget that I need to figure out what I'm eating too. And then something else I'm trying is this book called Cook Once, Eat All Week. I have just gotten started with the first week in it. I actually heard about it from the Minimal Mom here on YouTube, so if you want to check her out, you can. She does a lot of great videos about minimalism with a family, but this book is intrigued me because the whole concept is you prep all of your ingredients, you know, say on a Sunday, and it's just main ingredients. Like you cook your protein, you know, whether it's chicken that you shred or cook up a bunch of ground beef, and then you prep your vegetable, like chop up a bunch of broccoli, and then you cook a bunch of rice. And so you have those three main ingredients ready. And as you go through the week, there are 3 dinners that you can cook with those ingredients, but they're very different. So like the first week, there's a stir fry, there's a casserole, and a chili. So it uses those 3 basic ingredients, but those 3 very different recipes. So I'm gonna give that a try and see how that goes. Of course, you don't have to do anything fancy. Just sit down, make a list of 10 or 15 of your family's favorite dinners, and plug those into your calendar. So hopefully that gives you some ideas, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for some more Cruising Through the Holidays missions. Are you back? Did you bring your... Oh, she's just saying bye. Did you bring your craft that we made? No? Okay.
I'm gonna go get it.
Oh, she's gonna get it now. Okay.
I don't know where it is.
Oh dear. Well, we might... Okay, she's got it. All right, well, thanks for joining me. I hope you're all having a great day. I know we're not leaving. And there it is. We made some corn, an ear of corn at the library with some bubble wrap wrapped around an old toilet paper tube. And then she got to paint it to look like corn. And we made some husk out of a paper bag and wrapped around it. So thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. And I will see you tomorrow for your next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye. You want to say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Oh, we'll be popping bubbles here.